morning, my dear students. In the previous class, you studied how to solve, otherwise how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by completing square method. Look at this one. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is general form of quadratic equation. Now ax square plus bx equal to minus c. Look at here, it is minus c. Is it correct? Then by completing square method, you make it x square divided by a. Okay, so x square plus b by ax is equal to minus b. And half of this and square of this is b square by first step, second step, third step, fourth. B square by 4a square and at both left side and right side, it is like this. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now next slide. Here the root of x square is x. Root of this number is b by 2a. Root of b square is b. Root of 4a square is 2a. Whole square equal to, better you multiply. Here you get minus 4a square c plus ab square divided by 4a square into a. You see that? Here cross multiply. It's correct. That's equal to, whether you take the common factor outside. A is a common factor, you get minus 4ac plus b square. A taken out as a common factor. One of the a is here. Here a taken out as a common factor. Here also a taken out, you get 4a. Is it correct? 4a square. Look at here. 4a square in a, one of the a taken out. A and a get cancelled. So you get like this. That is x plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Is it clear? A and a subset is a common factor. Is it completed? Now x plus b by 2a equal to root of that number. That is b square minus 4ac by 4a square. See? If you take the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you get x plus b by 2a equal to root of this number. And x equal to, look at here, x equal to, remember it has two roots, one of them is positive, other one is negative. Better you take the roots, come on. Root b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square. Root of 4a square is 2a. Now, in the root and a square a. Is it clear? So, x plus b by 2a equal to, your answer is plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Is it clear? So, x is equal to, this term transferred to right side, you get minus, is it clear? B by 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now the denominators are same, so your answer is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. That is quadratic formula. In a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, x equal to, otherwise the root is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 3. Is it clear? That is quadratic formula. In any problem, you use this formula, you find the root of the equation. Are you ready? Ready. Now look at it. Now, question, find the roots of the below given quadratic equation. Are you ready to start it? 3x square plus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. 3x square plus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. Are you ready? Now a equal to 3, b equal to 11, c equal to 8. A, b, c. Is it clear? And your formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now b is 11, minus b is minus 11. Clear? B square is 11 square. 4ac 4 into a equal to 3, c equal to 8. A, clear? 2a 2 into 3. Any doubt? It's a substitution. minus b plus or minus b square 4 into a into c 4 into 3 into 8 2a 2 into 3 minus 11 plus or minus roots 11 square 121 minus 4 into 3 into 2 4 into 3 12 into 8 is 96 divided by 2 into 3 equal to 6. Is it clear? It's out. Now minus 11 plus or minus, if you subtract you get 25 divided by 6. 121 minus 96 is 25. That is minus 11 plus 5. Root 25 equal to 5. One of the answer. Another one is minus 11 minus 5 by 6 because root 25 is plus 5 or minus 5. That already you studied. Minus 5 plus minus 11 plus 5 is minus 6 by 6. Minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 by 6. Clear? And this cancel negative one. That's divided by 2 you get minus 8 by 3. So what are the answers? What are the roots? One of the answer is minus 1, other answer is minus 8 by 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? One more problem. You want to find the roots of the second problem is 2x square minus 9x plus 7 equal to 0. Are you ready? So write the values of a, b and c. A is 2, b is minus 9, c is 7. And your formula minus b, that is quadratic formula, plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Are you ready? Then minus b. B is already minus 9. So minus b is minus 9. Get the idea of substitution? B square is minus 9 square. 4 into a equal to 2, c is equal to 7 divided by 2a means 2 into 2. Read it out in substitution. Minus minus is plus. Plus or minus. 9 square is 81, minus 9 is 9 square is also 81. 4 into 2 into 7, that is 56. 2 into 2, 4. Is it clear this step? A, B, C, formula, substitution, and here. 81 minus 56, that's also 25, divided by 4. Then what are the two answers? That is 9 plus root 25 is 5, 9 minus 5. Any doubt? 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 4 and that is 4 divided by 4. Your answer is divided by 2 you get 7 by 2 and 1. So the answers are 1 and 7 by 2. The roots are 7 by 2 and 1. Is it clear? So that is quadratic formula. Application of quadratic formula in problems. Are you ready? One more problem. 3x square plus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Are you ready? A equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to minus 20. Better you write with me. And you get an idea easily. And your formula, minus B plus or minus, you better write with me. Minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. You remember that? Minus B is minus 4 plus or minus. B square is 4 square minus 4 into A equal to 3, C equal to minus 20. You get the value of C. Divided by 2A is 2 into 3. Minus 4 plus or minus root 4 square 60. Negative into negative is positive. 4 into 3 into 20. If you multiply you get 240 divided by 2 into 3 equal to 6. Here you want minus 3, minus into minus plus. Yeah, if you add this number you get like this. 256 divided by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And root 256, it's a perfect square, you get 16. So, minus 4 plus 16 divided by 16, minus 4 minus 16 divided by 6. Is it clear? And here you get 12 by 6 and that is minus 20 by 6. It is exactly divisible 2 and that number is minus 10 by 3. So one of negative and positive you get negative. Divided by 2 you get 10 by 3. One of the value is 2 and the other value is minus 10 by 3. I think this comparatively easy than the previous problem. Is it clear? So I will give you home assignment later. You study well the problems and how to solve. Are you ready? Okay, see you next day.